Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, so I'm going to do some modification on our ADR intraday strategy. So based on trading view, so we previously created this particular scanner that was working good and well in intraday time frame. So even we have to filter out very narrow stocks. So we got first 15 minutes, second 15 minutes, and third 15 minutes. So and also same like that selling also we are looking for. In this case, how it is works, it is working good in an intraday. For example, in the first 15 minutes candle, these are all the stocks. So let me check these stocks, what is happening. Okay, so first one is idea. So we are not going to take idea because it's very low value. But even that was closed about to the ADR high in the first candle itself. About to this high, we are looking for a buying opportunity from 17.65, 18.4. That's a good move. Okay, so the idea is the one which is happening in first, and Indian hotel. Hindu hotel is the second. Big candle. So after the breakout, it slightly moves higher. So from that high is around 595 to 603. Some 8 rupees move and finally close to 595. Our entry point should be around 595.65. That high of that particular candle. So this is what a first 15 minutes and the Can Bank and CSIM. So these are all the stocks which is happening. Can Bank, it doesn't break the high. So it means it doesn't give you the opportunity. Okay. So that is the main concept. So here it is not given you opportunity, and SEM is the fine last one. This is happening on the first one. SEM also not given you the breakout. But if you are looking at in the first candle, mostly the stock which opened by gap up or gap down. Okay, so it is huge. Just a second. The stop loss would be very big. Okay. So simply we are just previously one more scanner which are to reduce, and second candle, second 15 minutes Delta Corp, IDFC, IEX, and third 15 minutes you can see 2, 4, 6, 7, almost 7 stocks. Which one to take? So someone was having a big stop loss, someone was having a small stop loss. We don't know which one. So here by using this particular modified scanner, we simply going to filter out those stock which is less than 1%. Previously we made it, and every 15 minutes, let me look for an every 15 minutes, and the stop loss would be less than 1%. That should be a great idea. And the number of stocks would be very minimum. So that is the main reason which I'm going to plan with this particular scanner. And let me go for first 15 minutes. Instead of creating a first 15 minutes, it's not a right one, because most of the time the first 15 minutes candle would be always be big candle. So if you're comparing more than 0.6%, and first three candle is always be bigger one. So instead of that, we will look for a second candle onwards. So second to four candles, that would be giving you some better opportunity. We will try to show you how to create. I'm just going to create in a future stocks. Okay, so we have to second candle only. I should check for this, and normally I need to filter out the percentage. So first of all, we need to get the confirmation, the closing price greater than ADR. That should be a higher area. That's a custom indicator, 10 and 5. Okay, that was okay. So this is a custom indicator. It's not defaultly available on charting. So we are going to focus for a 15 minutes candle. I just go for a second 15 minute candle. It's close, and previously that open should be less than. So I need to check for open should be less than. Here compare ADR. That is a one more condition which I used. High ADR. So this is what a condition. So second candle. So if you are looking at, these are all the stocks, but in our normal one, so we will be getting Delta Corp, IDFC, IEX, McDowell, and OB Reality. From there, we filter one more two stocks. Idea also be there in the list. How it happen? Idea will came into the list. It is happening on the first candle. So we need to check that why idea came. It is greater than the second, open is less than higher ADR. Second 15 minutes open, sorry, it should be less than. Okay, that's the only condition it's wrong. So you'll be seeing 5, 2, 4, 5. So this is the normal condition. So 5 stocks which happen in the second one. So 2, 4, 5. So here I just going to find out some of the higher ones. So simply we just go for the percentage change. This is a normal condition, normal thing which is available. It should be less than. I'll just looking for a 1% less than 1%. Okay. Simply I just use for a 15 minutes candle. That should be the second candle. Okay. Second 15 minutes candle less than 1%, and same I just copied it. So that should be percentage change should be greater than, it's normally greater than, less than 1% is good enough. So this is not required, I think. So less than 1%. Okay, that line is not required. So this will filter some few stocks. So in normal ADR, so we have a 5 stocks at the second 15 minutes candle, and here we filter out a Delta Cup, IDSC, IDFC and McDowell. So OB Reality and IEX will be removed. So why it is removed in IEX and OB Reality? Let me check OB Reality, and you can see there is a candle, big candle, so more than 1%. The second candle which closes about to the ADR, and but the range is more than 1%, so big candle. So simply we ignored it. So the second one is IEX. It's a huge candle. The second candle is more than 1.4%. So we simply filter out with this particular condition, the second line, third line. So after filtering out, only 3 stocks we got it, and Delta Cup, IDFC and United Spread. So let me check what happened in this Delta Cup. First, Delta Cup, it doesn't give you the breakout, but it happened after a long time, around 12:15. So we are tracking in the second candle itself for the breakout. It is not happening, so we ignored it. So no entry. IDFC and United Spread. IDFC and United Spread. So IDFC, that is the second candle, less than 1%, that exactly 0.68%, and it went up to maximum 119. From that high is 118.65, and it went up to. So let me calculate from this point. So we are looking for exactly 0.92%, and that high comparing to that high, it is more than 1%. At least 1:1 risk reward ratio reaches, and the final one is United Spread, that is McDouble. So McDouble, what is happening? Second candle, that day high, that particular candle high is not broken. So we are filtering out very narrow stocks from the top 5 to top 2. And one more conditions to add is about to that close must be less than ADR. Yeah. So we have to add one more condition that will help you. Um, Already broken stocks. Okay, we simply less than already. If any stocks which broken already, that would be filtered here. Okay, and we are looking at test and then submit it. So those are all the only on second candle how many stocks which given you the breakout on ADR, but it should not be broken in the previous one. And these are all the stocks same which we can do for a third one, third candle. So I will make a dashboard for this, and soon I will be updating in the dashboard also. And this one should be one more copy and second candle. Okay, so this is for a third one, third candle. So let me go for only 3 stocks. But in normal ADR, so this is perfectly working on ADR, but you feel some to find out the stocks. So in third candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stocks. But as per these new conditions, we are finding only 3 stocks on the third candle. Save as. Okay. This is the third one. So which we find out the third one is to be IRCTC, LNT, sorry, LTTS and Dr. Reddy. So let me check Dr. Reddy. Third candle, less than 1%, 0.41. The high is our entry point. So from that high, whether it is giving you 1% or not. It's given 0.68, but our risk is around 0.4. So maybe that given. And the second one is about IRCTC, LTTS. So LTTS on third candle. This is happening on third candle. This is one which is happening. The breakout and the low of that particular candle should be the stop loss, and it is also giving you some movement. And after that, it triggers your stop loss. And the first one is about IRCTC. Very less change percentage. So third candle, but in this case, it was triggers your stop loss, even though very small stop loss which you are focusing. So it was triggered. It given you the breakout, and it is triggered, and then it boom boom. So we don't worried about it. It is a stop loss. We have to take it out. So same like that, we can take for a fourth one. So maybe I will be making the same for a dashboard. So those who are focusing very less stop loss, very small stop loss, those who are waiting for. So that will help you. Just a second. So this is what an fourth candle. So if you are looking for a fourth candle, we can save as again one more thing. So let me three, and we can easily modify it for a dashboards like what we can look for this one. Only two stocks in this tower and Zydas Life. So fourth candle that broken in this tower, Zydas Life. Yeah, perfect one. Less than 1%, and that was giving you such a good move. And Zydas Life. One more thing. This is the fourth candle that is also giving you such a big move from 916 to 936. So simply all three we are collecting together and we are making an dashboard. So from that we can easily find out the ADR stocks which is having low stop loss. That means 1% below. So instead of that, of making a much more stocks, we will be finding out first, second, 15 minutes, third, and fourth. So first 15 minutes we normally don't take because most of the time, around 95% or 99% of the time, the opening candle will be always a big candle. Either it may be a green upside or a downside. So we are simply looking for an opportunity with this ADR indicator. So you may be getting some opportunities with that also for making a smaller stop loss trades. And that scanners also be disclosed on my premium telegram group. So those who are already member, you can access it that, and you can also having a edit and modification that you can do it. And anyone who want to take that group, you will access my all my premium scanners which is available on my telegram group. So if you wish, and you can join, so there you will be getting all my premium scanners. So like most of the scanners are customized one, like CPR, Camrilla, and ADR, Awesome Oscillator. So a lot of scanners which is available on this group. So maybe you will be utilizing that. So thank you for joining the session, and thank you for watching this video, and thanks for your support on my channel, and thank you for watching this. And don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed the channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.